Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
So when you're walking down that way. So that's the port right there, and then this is kind of parallel with that big hill that's up on top. So I think we're gonna get some more views of that hill in a moment. So let's just stay tuned for that. Get some camera angles here. And I think this Prainha, I don't think I've ever filmed it before, but I've seen it. Okay, so this particular street is Prainha Street. You can see the sign right there. We're gonna go directly down this way into this one, but before we do, we'll just kind of show you some context of the other stuff that's around here, including up in this way. And I think we're gonna go up in that way a little bit, and we're gonna try to look down, and then we're gonna come down our target street, which is Prainha Street right there. So stay tuned. We're in Macau, and we're not too far from a place called Sunset Park. So let's get going. Okay, so Prainha, and that's going to be our focus route. So before we go down, the port is directly down this way. There's many ports, and I just wanted to give you some context of where we are exactly. But right up here you can see this big wall, and this marks where this is like reclaimed land that they reclaimed from the sea quite a long time ago. There's more stuff that's not so long ago. So we're just going to give you a little context by going up first, and then we're going to come back down our target street. And this is just to give you some context of where we are exactly. And to give you a little context, that's our stairway, Seminary Street. And then we have this little Largo Aquino. And so this will overlook our target street. And our target street is down below. And in a minute I'm going to turn off the camera, and then we're going to start back down there again. But I just want to give you some context of it. So when you're walking down that way, before we go down, let's look up. Okay, so I'm going to go back down and go down our target street. So we were just up there, and then we're going to come back down into our target street, which is right here. And it's going to be down this road. So let's kind of get an idea of what it all looks like from here. So that's the port right there, and then this is kind of parallel with that big hill that's up on top. So I think we're going to get some more views of that hill in a moment. So let's just stay tuned for that. Get some camera angles here. And then that kind of goes up into that hill spot as well. So those apartments in the distance. And I think we're going to get another view of that mixture like that as well. And this street right here is, well, let's see what's on it. We have a flower shop, flower delivery shop, real estate. Let's see, desserts, some kind of industrial stuff. And I think this Prainha, I don't think I've ever filmed it before, but I've seen it. Let me just see. Try it. Pork ear, cucumber, duck feet. This one says that it's spicy. I don't know if that's Sichuan. Don't know what it is exactly. But usually the spiciest foods are Sichuan, Chinese foods. Okay, so our street's probably gonna end right here, but I'm just kind of curious. Sometimes these lead into interesting things, like a patio or something. So it just goes all the way down. Look at that old building. I think they built these apartments around that building right there. But anyways, I'm gonna stay focused on our street, but it's just kind of interesting sometimes to see what's around.
Departure niya, basta ang sakit mo ate is 811 ba?
Let me see what this one is. Okay, so we're gonna keep, I think our street's gonna end right there. And we got some little alleys everywhere. I don't think I've ever walked down this alley. I might walk down it in the next video. That looks kind of appealing. There's all these hidden things in Macau that you don't always expect. So this is a little patio right here. But this is our target street. Prainha Street. And I think the ending is going to be right here. I will try to give you a little context of it. Okay, so we have a little calzada. This one goes up into those hills. So that actually looks like an interesting one as well. Let me just go up a little bit. So I think this is going to go up to this temple up here. And then it goes near the seminary. And then this one right here, this little caich goes all the way down to the port. And then there's some other little patio types of stuff like this one. So anyways, let's come back into our target street, which is Prainha. And then we're gonna end this video. So that's Prainha Street. Let's see if I can find that street sign again. There it is. So we're just gonna come over here. I'm gonna target the so there it is, Rue de Prainha. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la música.